Hey guys, what's up? It's Sarah. In today's video, I will be teaching you a DIY cut your hair at home. Since I know it's the quarantine, we are experiencing a pandemic, you are a bit tight to money, and I think that your hair would even cost a lot na, like just by going to salon. And I think that it's also really helpful. Aside from it saves you money, it will help the world for you to, instead of going to the salon, you would just stay at home and do your thing. You cut your hair. So anyway, this is my hair length. Yeah. So the thing that you're gonna need is just scissors. Actually, this is not the right scissors that the salon, the hairstylist use for cutting the hair, but I think this will do for me. Next is hair ties. What to do is to wet your hair. So I'm gonna wet my hair in 3, this is 6, but anyway, 3, 2, 1, bye! Hey guys, so as you can see, I just finished washing my hair, and also I decided na lang to record everything since I don't have a mic. I only shoot with my phone, which is just an iPhone 6, but I'm not complaining. And so the audio isn't really nice, so here am I. So right now, I'm showing you my hair length. Moving on, the next step is to put your hairline on the center. Well, I don't even know if I divided my hair correctly, but it looks like the center to me, so I think that will do. Next is to tie your hair in front, just like the video. However, if you're a first timer, I suggest not to tie it too high so that you will still have the length for adjustment if you weren't able to do it properly. So yeah, that's just me being serious and all, hoping that I won't regret this later on. So as you can see, I wasn't able to do it perfectly. It's not yet pantay, but it's fine because all you need to do is to cut off the obvious edges and you're good. Next is to section your hair into 3 layers, so you're gonna have a layered haircut. So as you can see, here's me blabbing anything under the sun again. I mean, I don't even know if it's still connected to video, but as you can see, tabian kay ko. So finally, let's cut our hair. But before that, let's brush our hair muna. Brush it on an upward motion and start cutting it based on the length that you want. But if you're gonna ask me, I suggest 1 to 2 inches only so that it won't be too short. And of course, do it on the other side like that. Make sure same length ha, basin magpinikas. And do it on the next layer, which is the second layer. Actually, the second and third layer is a bit crucial, but don't worry because I'm here. I'm gonna teach you. So as you can see, the one that I'm pointing, the shorter ones are your guide where to cut next. So you're gonna need to place your hair on an upward direction for you to see where are the shorter ones. And of course, we do it on the other side because di man sad daganan magpinikas sa tumbuhok. And of course, the same process for the third layer. Look for the shorter ones, the shorter hair, and that would be your guide where to cut next. So as you can see, I'm just making some final touches, final adjustments, and I think I'm done. For the bangs, you could actually skip this part, but for me, I would want to trim my bangs. So if you want to continue, the same process goes kanina. Just tie your hair in front and cut it out. And of course, make some adjustments. And I'm done. Peace out. When I blow dry, I used to kind of do like this. Okay, so I know I look a bit weird, but I blow dry like this to have some volume volume later on when it's dry. Okay, so I know there isn't much of a difference, but the point here was I was able to chop off at least 1 to 3 inches of my hair, and somehow I was able to get rid of my split ends. So that's it. Bye! And that's it for today's video. I hope you guys learned a thing or two. And since we're on a quarantine, I think that now is the perfect time to experiment with your hair, cut your hair. And I like my hair better right now. It's not too short and it's not too long. Last time it was here, oh. And karon na siya here. So, sakto lang yun in my preference. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Thank you, and I'll see you on my next one.